Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I say our channel because I don't know if I'm posting this on Male J's Playtime, which is our kids channel, or the members channel, our family channel. So I'm reviewing this electric nasal, the baby nasal aspirator. It's actually, let me say, for 0 to 12 years old, which that's nice. Quick and gentle, safe and hygienic, portable design, easy to clean. I got it from eBay, and it has LED lighting, 3 suction levels, built-in music. This was what attracted me, we're about to say. And then overflow design. And in working voltage is 3.7V, charging voltage is DC 5V 1A, maximum power 1.5 watts, battery capacity 500 mAh, and product weight is 0.39 pounds, and the size is 4x4 for length, and then the width is 2.12 inches, and then the height is 2.12 inches, so the length is about 4.4 inches. So I got it on eBay for that. That's the price. I don't know if for $25. I don't know what I was thinking. And free shipping. So like I said, built-in music and all that stuff. Okay, we'll see. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is actual pictures. Go up those pictures. So we'll see. You guys go ahead and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's open it up and see if this really works. $25. Let's see if it's worth it. I like that. Came with the storage box. Is this how it's supposed to be? I don't know what to call this. I hope it's not supposed to be broken like this. This is really tiny. That is really tiny. So tiny. This is how the mouths are. We will see if this is supposed to be like this. And of course the rocket shaped aspirator. And what is this? Oh, this is nice. You can pick the thing out of the nose instead of using your finger like I am using. And it's rechargeable. Okay, it's rechargeable. Plug it and recharge it. Technically, if not for videos, I always charge it for some time before using it. And then it has the guide. So now I'm going to turn it on. Of course, that is the light, the on and off button, and the music. So it says that this is the silicone cap, the collection cap, the vent in there, the main body, the start and stop button, and like I said, the power switch, the music. What's the music? The other one is the music button, the light indicator or gear indicator, and then the light on and off button and other stuff. The speaker, where's the speaker? The speaker holes somewhere around there. There's the speaker hole. Then magnetic charger. Okay, this is the tooth nozzle because it's really cut out like that. It says the tooth nozzle is used to remove like the dried nasal mucus. I never seen that before, so I guess. And then the round hole nozzle is used to clean the boogers, which is this one. It's used to clean the booger. And then the plum blossom nozzle is used to suck out the snot. Okay, so I guess that was intentional. I took it out. So you press it one time, it's very slow. Press it the second time. It's where the valve, the air. Now let's press the music. I press and hold them. I press and held it. So this is the light. So that's the light. So what happened is when you turn it on, you have to press it one time to change the on the on and off button. That's the light to change the gear. See, that's the highest gear. It's 3. Gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. That's the middle button. Press and hold, it turns off. So press and hold, it's on. Then 1, 2. If I really want to start, I start. So let's test it out and see. Suction it up. You will stop it. Actually, put it back in there. So that's for this one, the one that suctions the boogers out. Stop right there. So it stays set on the highest one. Let me test this one out. And this time, let's suction it here. I didn't want to use the baby's nose, so the babies don't appear on the video. Suction it very quick. It's gone. And of course, press on music one time. No long press it. Press one time to change to another music. Oh, that's the speaker. This is too sharp. Another thing I can do is turn this off. Press and hold it to turn it off. Another thing I can do is I can easily, if the kids are getting bigger, what I do is I cut it. I cut this so that it's a little wider for the kids. But overall, it's not bad. I like it. It's really nice. It's nice. So you guys check it out. You might like it. So at this point, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share if this was really helpful. But it's not really cheap for $25, but it's really, it's really nice and fun, especially for babies. And then I have 3. Wait, this one coming in tonight. Yeah, that one is coming, so we'll be using it for this baby. That's why I went ahead to get it. See you in our next video.